This design utilizes eyelets with a width of 12 millimeters and 8 millimeter inner diameter. The cyclic has full travel, no bindings or restrictions, and smooth movement. Here I'm demonstrating light touch movements and then fast twitch movements. As you can see, both inputs are fluid. This angle shows using the V2 adapter with the dampeners in the down position. This was developed for a user using the V3 adapter and will fit any cyclic shaft with a 25.5 millimeter outer diameter. This adapter uses internal knurling, utilizing a pinch fit to fit the shaft, and this angle shows in the down position.